All right, guys, so I just got home. I wanted to post this before I posted the video, the whole YouTube thing. I'm going to give it a whirl. Here's the first video I think I'm going to put on there. It's going to be pretty quick. It's not going to be a long thing. If this ain't your thing, you don't have to like it or anything, but if you don't care, to go ahead and share, follow, message, whatever, and just try to get it pushed out there. I appreciate it. It's been a day or two. We're going to go see who the biggest one over there in North Carolina. That didn't take long. It's hot. My gosh, it's hot. But we treated it. We backed it out with 2 young dogs. They treated it again. They come out again. So we waited a minute, put them on the track, and let them run. Hush, hush. Well, it's the same bear. That little camp dog coming here by himself and treat it. He just don't treat that good because he's a camp dog. Here you go. Not bad, little boy bear. Let's go up here and pet these dogs down, get out of here. I'm burning them down. Got a little bit of work to do.
I'll stay with the side-by-side stuff, so if anybody comes down here or something.
Yeah, boy. Good job. That was fun. I got a treat again. All the young dogs is about wore out. I guess it's about time. Go get us something to drink. We gotta go help a guy real quick and then go to the house. We'll see you on the next one, guys.